Welcome to our tutorial on the latest features in online and mobile banking. We've improved the way transactions are displayed, showing clearer merchant names and categories. Log into your online or mobile banking. From the dashboard, select your checking or savings account to view transactions with new merchant names and categories. Scroll through your transactions. You'll see a new section that automatically categorizes them. To edit a category or create a rule for future transactions, click on a transaction to see more details. In online banking, a pop-up window will let you change the category from the Budget category drop-down menu. In mobile banking, use the blue drop-down menu at the top of the Transaction Details screen. Save your changes in online banking or move to the next step in mobile banking. If you want the new rule to apply to all future transactions from this merchant, choose Apply to All. For a one-time change, select This Time Only. After selecting an option, a confirmation message will pop up. Close it to go back to your summary. To delete a rule in online banking, go to Manage Transaction Rules. Select Delete and confirm your decision in the new pop-up window. For mobile banking, you can manage your rules via the navigation menu under Manage Transaction Rules. To delete, swipe left on the transaction, hit the trash icon, and confirm by tapping Delete. We hope these new features make it easier for you to manage your money and reach your financial goals.